Hey students, so today we are going to talk about the difference between metals and non-metals. So metals are basically solid at room temperature, with one exception that mercury is going to be liquid in room temperature, whereas the non-metals basically exist in all states, primarily in gaseous state and liquid state, and also in solid state. Metals are basically very hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium is an exception where you can able to cut them with a knife. And again, non-metals are generally they are very soft. There is only one exception, which is diamond. Diamond is basically only non-metal that was very hard, and you cannot melt it even at a higher temperature. You just have to cut through it. Okay, and metals are basically malleable and ductile. You can make it as a, like a very thin sheets. uh, you can see the aluminum foils, how we are making the aluminum as thin as possible, and also you can make them ductile. You can draw into a very large wires. That is the reason we are able to make the lengthy chains even with a very small grams of gold. Non-metals are generally brittle, and they break down into pieces. Metals generally have shining in nature. Non-metals are generally non-shining, non-lustrous. Only exception is iodine. Iodine is going to be the only lustrous